Hi, this is Miss Val again, and today we are going to make a dove of peace craft. I have one right here for you, already completed and made. You will be able to get your dove of peace craft when you come by the Independence branch only. While supplies last, it'll be all included. Everything you need will be in the bag. And here's what you'll need. And this is inside your bag. A template of a dove and a plain sheet of paper. Also, you'll have a ribbon. And you might also need a hole punch. I hope you have one at home. If not, just cut a little slit to help hang your dove. So I have one already cut out for you here. And I have one already decorated. With some markers, I decorated a little beak and a little eye. And what you need to do is, once you have your dove cut out, fold him in half and cut a tiny little slit right here. And I'll show you what you'll need that tiny little slit for. And I had a hole punch, so I already punched a hole here and I already tied the ribbon. What you'll do with your plain piece of paper is you'll fold it about a ½ inch, and you'll fold it back and forth until you have the entire paper folded, just like that. And then you'll take your little paper that you have all folded. I folded it in half again, and I took my scissors and I just cut it round so that his wings would look round. But I didn't do that on this one, and it's perfectly fine if you don't want to cut it to make it look round. You'll take your paper that's been folded and you'll slide it through your slit in the dove. And you can open up your dove's wings. And there you go. You have a dove of peace that you can hang in your bedroom or one of your favorite. Hi, this is Valerie Agnello from the Independence Branch Library. And I want to let you know that the first week of February is designated as Children's Authors and Illustrators Week. So this week I'm recommending a few books for you to come by the branch, any branch actually, of the Tangipahoa Parish Library, and check out these books. They're exciting and adventurous and fun. The first one I have for you is called Surf's Up. It's by Kwame Alexander and it's illustrated by Daniel Miardes. Kwame Alexander is a Newbery Award Medal winner. This book is designated for 4 to 8 year olds, but we don't want to compartmentalize everything. Anyone can read this book and have fun. I did. I enjoyed it very much. Before you can say Surf's Up, these two frogs are sharing the same adventure, and that is until they get to the beach. I think your children will really enjoy it, and you will have lots of laughs also. The next book I have for you is Little Cloud and Lady Wind. This book is co-authored by Toni Morrison and her son Slade Morrison, and it is also illustrated by Sean Quayles. It's a fresh take on a classic story. Little Cloud and Lady Wind will teach kids how to work together and achieve their goals. It's a very good book. Another book I have for you is co-authored by a husband and wife team, Spike Lee and his wife Tanya Lewis Lee. It is also illustrated by Sean Quayles, and it is an inspirational picture book about activism and taking big steps to set things right. So, what will your next step be? Come by the library and check it out. The next book I have for you is by a debut author illustrator, O.G. Mara. This book is authored and illustrated by O.G., and it's an inspirational picture book also. And it brings to life a heartwarming story of sharing and community. And oh, you can just about smell Amu's good stew coming from this book. So please come by the branch, any branch of the Tangipahoa Parish Library System, and check out these books. I hope you enjoy them and have a great day.